Napagod ako. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been what? 1 week since I uploaded my last video. If you haven't seen the part 1 of our Las Vegas, Arizona and Utah trip, then I will link it in the description box down below. For today, you will be seeing the last 2 days of our trip. Did we enjoy it or not? Was it worth it or not? Some behind the scenes as well. Towards the end, I will be sharing the things we consider or the things we do to create better family photos. So with all of that said, let's hop right into it. Okay, on our way to Vegas, we were greeted by this empty road. And of course, we have to take advantage of it. And we decided, well, I decided to have a quick photo session. And here you can see my ever so patient husband capturing the moment. We did this very quickly as we are in the middle of the road. And then after this, we headed to the Valley of Fire State Park. And here's how it went.
How much is the fee?
Nandito na kami sa Valley State National Park. And it's beautiful!
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
It's 4:28 and we're heading to the last accommodation in Las Vegas. It's 99 degrees as of the moment. Yesterday it was just around 82 or 78 like that. Sobrang lamig ng breeze kahapon. I love it talaga kahapon dun sa pink sand dunes. Very relaxing talaga, like what I've said. If you go to the Valley State Park, you have to pay $10 fee. But you will see very beautiful rock formations. There's red, parang pinkish, and then bandang dulo, puro white naman. Talagang very, very amazing ang creations ni God. I love it.
From cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start.
We are finally here in Las Vegas. It's party time! Finally, we get to eat rice today. We are here at the Fiesta Filipina Cuisine. We are finally here. By far, this is the biggest Airbnb. This is an entire house. Okay, let's go inside. Oops! Before I show you what it looks like when we got there, let me insert some pictures of how I have seen it in the Airbnb app when I booked it. And here's what it looks like in person. Madilim. Let me start off by saying that it's not the worst, okay? However, it looks quite different from what we have seen. So, are we disappointed? Just take a look at this. Tawagin mo yung may-ari. Joke lang. Joke lang naman. For some reason, the audio of some of the videos went missing, but basically I was just showing you guys here the entire house. I was also expressing what we were feeling at that moment. If you notice, I got a little speechless when I first entered because it wasn't what I was expecting. Okay? Yun lang yun. My main concern was that it's dark, and since different colors evoke different feelings, instead of, resting and still having fun, we ended up feeling uncomfortable, and we doubt if the place was clean, but actually it was clean. However, I have seen some used gloves in one of the counters in the kitchen, and some used slippers as well. I think the owners wanted the guests to wear them inside the house. I don't know. Yes, we were quite disappointed, but we were already there and we didn't want to transfer anymore. Like what I've said, we didn't want to go to a hotel. Another option namin aside from this was a hotel sa Strip. Kasi naka-mark down na din sila ngayon. Sobrang baba ng rate nila. Siguro dahil walang guests masyado. Kaya lang, ayaw nga namin sa hotel kasi nga crowded. Tapos sakay ka pa ng elevator. So, we ended up here. Tulog na ako agad.
Hindi yan yellow, dark.
Matutulog na ako agad.
Dark yellow. Look. Dilim, di ba?
And liempo pala. Nalilito na ako sa ilaw.
Tsaka naubos yung Lysol, Isang bote.
Ipaligo na yan natin. Wala namang masama sa ganitong bahay. Don't get me wrong. It's just that, syempre, hindi ito yung naka-advertise. Hindi ito yung naka-post.
False advert.
Exactly. False advertising. Diba? Oh my God! Aray! Aray! No! So, nandito na kami sa Strip. Pero, hindi na kami bababa dahil madaming tao and natutulog ang aking baby. Wanted to go to Seven Magic Mountain right there. Kaso marami ding tao. Oh my God. This is the spot. This is it. As long as you have an Instagram husband, then everything is fine. Ganyan talaga kapag matagal na kayo, itsyapwera ka na lang, minabaliwala ka na lang, di ba?
Kailan ko kaya siya binaliwan?
Ayan, kaya gaya niya, wala daw siyang regalo sa akin sa anniversary. Uy, maya ka naman! Anong regalo mo sa akin?
Gusto mo mic?
Anong mic?
Americano Paul.
Ang corny mo. My baby is awake! Say hi! So as for my toddler, he takes a nap twice a day. And he just had his 2 naps. So,
Just ate some tuna. But, the tuna...
Ang next na tulog niya, yun na yung mamayang gabi. After siguro 4 to 5 hours, depende kung mapapagod siya. So,
Hindi siya napagod.
pag hindi siya napagod, ako na yung mapapagod. Hindi na lang, my baby, parang kinihele siya kapag nasa loob ng sasakyan. So, nakakatulog siya agad. Every time we go out, makakatulog na siya and then gigising siya, syempre. And then, makakatulog ulit siya. Kasi nga, umaandar nga, di ba?
Pag is niya matutulog na siya. Makatulog siya.
Luckily, very manageable naman yung anak namin. Hindi naman siya nag-iiyak. Kahit na hindi siya nood ng... Ang ginagawa namin, so ako yung kumakanta. Feeling ko kasi masama talaga yung nanonood habang umaandar yung sasakyan. Diba? Kasi galit na galit yung tatay ko dati kapag nag-cellphone ako habang umaandar yung sasakyan. Kaya, the same will be applied to my son. Kaya, Daddy, if you're watching this, salamat sa pagpapalaki mo. Wow. C4. C4.
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo. For dog. D. We're almost home, but we ordered some Thai food para makain later. Say bye-bye. Bye. We are home and I'm going to do the laundry. I like doing the laundry right away para walang pending na gawain. And I also did the laundry the day before we left. Correction, it's Chinese food pala. Chinese food. Let's eat. So yeah, that concludes our trip. We got home safely and now we're ready to sleep. So goodbye. Bye. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Bye. Okay, so for the last part, since a lot of people are asking me, well, yeah, no one really asked, but anyway, I'm still gonna share it with you. What we do to create better family photos. Coming right up. Okay, number one, location. Everything starts there. You need to know where you're going, of course. Girl, dapat alam ko sa pupunta, di ba? Especially these days, I need to know if the place is open to public. Are there a lot of people going? Is it crowded? Where should we stay? Where to eat? As well as the colors available in the location. Is it more of the nature? Is it city with buildings? Is it the beach? Indoor, outdoor, and from there I can create an itinerary. Doesn't have to be a minute by minute itinerary, but a general one will not hurt. I have included this especially here. One day it's hot, the next it's cold. So you really have to play and use weather to your advantage. You need to know if it's gonna be sunny, cloudy, windy, is it gonna snow, is it gonna rain, and so on. Just take this picture for example. This was taken at the Venice beach. It's quite close here, so we didn't bother to check the weather. But when we got there, it is so cloudy, and I am wearing a light colored outfit. You are seeing the picture even after editing, so I tried to put some colors so it can pop a little. Unfortunately, it was so hard to get a nice shot because it was gloomy that time. So it pays to know the weather before you get to the location. Okay, now that we know where we're going and we basically have an idea of what's the weather gonna be like, next, outfit. Well, at least I plan what we should wear. So I can go on and on with this, but to put it simply, we just opt for subtle colors. For me, subtle color coordination is the easiest way to look cohesive. We coordinate colors instead of overmatching. So we try to match whatever color is available in the background. So if it's more of the blues and the greens, either one of us will just wear a dominant color and then the rest will just wear a color similar to what is available in the location. Two things that we just avoid are graphic tees and shirts with large logos. So I know that these look good in casual wear, but in pictures they might steal attention and create distraction, so we just avoid them altogether. But do not ever feel that I'm telling you what you cannot wear, because by all means wear what you want. These are just the things that I think might be helpful to keep in mind. Regardless whether you're using a natural or artificial light, use it properly. If you are using the sun as your main light, do not face the sun directly as it may create harsh lines and shadows. If you really want to, there are some poses that will help you avoid squinting. You can wear glasses as well. I highly suggest that you get a tripod and a Bluetooth remote control. I have two of this. I like it because it's very small, it's sleek, it's compact, it matches any phone. So I just bring this with me and turn it on, I click it, it's discreet, I can use it whenever, wherever. Personally, because I don't want to use my phone's timer just because I don't want to go back and forth, you know, just to check if it captured the right moment. Having this with me really helped me a lot because I don't need to bother anyone if I want to take my photo or video, everyone can also be in the picture since I have this. One click and everyone's in. Obvious reason why we use a tripod, simply because you can get better shots, you can get unique shots with this. But if you don't have it, then that's totally fine. You can use any sturdy surface, your bag, or any solid object to hold your phone. I got this from Amazon. This is, I think, $35.99. I like it because if you hold it, it feels a little heavy. It feels durable compared to the other one that I got, which got broken after like 6 months. Another one, which is a selfie stick. It's obviously lighter, but it can extend to a tripod as well. Not as high as the other one, but I like it because it's light. It's the one that I brought on this trip, and yes, my phone fell several times. My tempered glass broke. So I advise you to find a sturdy and stable tripod. Next, rule of thirds. So this is quite complicated, but I will just try to explain it in the easiest way that I can. So basically, this is just all about where the viewer's eye is going. So the viewer's eye should always come into the frame, analyze it, sees the background, and goes back into the subject. If you turn on your phone's grid, then you can see there are 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. And they say that you should place the subject, if it's you the subject, instead of being in the middle, you should be in any of the intersecting points. By doing so, you will create a more balanced photo, and your viewers can also interact with your photos more naturally. Following the rule of thirds will not only help you capture a beautiful image, but at the same time, capture the feeling of that very moment. I'll be shameless and say I have mastered this simply because I have practiced a lot. I have taken a lot of photos by myself. I asked someone to take a photo of me. There's a reason why stolen or candid photos look better than any other poses, because it captures your candid moments. It looks just very natural. Whenever you take a picture, you move around, you walk, you swing your dress, ask someone to make you laugh, act natural, act crazy. In case you didn't know, you don't always have to stick to the map. Sometimes the best discoveries are the ones you didn't even know existed. So explore a little. If you find something interesting, then be there, capture the moment, and have fun. For babies, it will be helpful to give them something to hold, something to eat, sing them a song, in short, bribe them. That way, they can give you that smile you've been waiting for. Where the magic really happens. Even with a good lens and the right angle, raw photos usually aren't the best. Even professionals are using editing softwares or editing apps to enhance the photo. You're going to see a raw photo compared to an edited one. It's totally different. It's more vibrant, it's more captivating, it's more attractive because the colors pop more. Even in videography, they use editing. It's nice to have this and help you emphasize the beauty of your photo even better. Just like in any other skill, the more you do it, then the faster you'll improve, and eventually you will learn what works best versus what's not. Hope you enjoyed and learned something from this. Please subscribe if you haven't, and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Stay safe, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!
Let's live in a minute, just step by step.